Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. Now to get started, pull down your notification, expand it and look for the power saving, which for me is right here. Now this is the default location of it, so for you it should be in the same place. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and this will turn on your power saving mode. Now if you're interested in what it actually changes, you can hold this and this will give us a quick list of things that it changes. So number one, it will turn off always on display, limit our CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, and also turns off 5G connectivity. Now there is additional toggle right here, if we turn it off, that it can enable, which used to be basically something else, like a separate power saving mode called, I think, Ultra Power Saving Mode or something along those lines. But now it's just a part of the normal power saving mode, which you need to toggle on. And when toggled on, it kind of changes the way the device looks like. As you can see, this is the super power saving mode that tries to preserve battery as much as it can by limiting majority of the things. And there is one last thing that will happen when you enable power saving mode, no matter which one. It is that the device will turn off higher refresh rate and stick only to 60 Hz. So there we go, that's the last thing. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.